Welcome to ATX 2023. So a CR5 robot is a collaborative type robot, which is actually 5 kilogram payload. And as you can see, we have it displayed here just doing its tasks. The interesting thing about this particular CR5 is that it's equipped with the safety skin, which means that it doesn't have to touch a person or an object before it stops. So we can demonstrate that very easy. As the robot comes back, we will try to stop it, and there it is. The obstacle goes away and the robot continues. But now, even if we were to stop it, we touch it, it's very easy to start it back up. So we don't have to go through any kind of hand controllers or to call anybody else. If we stop it, there is a back button. We just press the back button and the robot continues.